In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an iPhone mock-up in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to place your own video inside a realistic iPhone frame so it looks clean, professional, and ready for social posts or ads. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. If you already know where this will live, choose an aspect ratio that fits your platform, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical. This keeps everything framed correctly from the start and saves you from resizing later. Next, add your background first. This can be a solid color, a photo, or a video. Drag it onto the timeline, stretch it to fill the canvas, and set its duration to cover the entire edit. Establishing the background now makes it easier to anchor the rest of your elements and keep the composition consistent. Now, go to Stickers and search for Phone Screen. You're looking for an iPhone-style frame with a transparent center. Drop it onto the canvas and roughly position it where you want it to sit. Scale it up or down so it looks natural in your scene. If your background has perspective, angle the frame slightly to match. Make sure the frame sits visually on top of everything else so it reads as the frontmost layer. After that, add your video, the content you want playing inside the phone. Import it and place it on the timeline so it lines up in time with your background. In the preview, ensure the phone frame appears above your video so the edges are clean and the frame isn't hidden. With your video selected, open Mask and choose Rectangle. Resize and reposition the mask so it fits neatly inside the phone's screen area. Use the handles to match the screen edges, keeping a tiny bit of padding so you don't spill over rounded corners. If you see harsh edges, add a very small feather, just enough to soften without blurring the corners. Make final adjustments to sell the effect. Scale or nudge the video until it sits perfectly within the frame. If the frame is slightly tilted, rotate the video a touch to match. Trim any extra length, and if you don't need the original audio, mute the clip for a cleaner result. Take a moment to zoom in and check the corners. Small tweaks here make a big difference. Finally, preview it. Play it back to confirm the video stays aligned, the edges look crisp, and the overall composition looks natural. Once it all feels seamless, your iPhone mockup is complete and ready to use.